is that mas tatamaan yung altcoin traders. Kasi mas inalaw na nilang mag-trade ang market ng Nasdaq including third liners or basura stocks ng gabi. No? So kung ikaw ay nagtitrade ng shitcoins or meme coins, you'd rather trade third liners or mga basura stocks within your index, no, within your brokerage, no, ng gabi. The other thing na nakikita po natin is mas lalong magkakaroon ng Bitcoin Nasdaq correlation, no. Matagal ko na sinasabi na meron pong correlation ang Nasdaq with Bitcoin, particularly the tech stocks. Now we're going to see macro liquidity spilling into Bitcoin. Yung mga gabi nagtitrade, pwede na silang mag-trade din ng Bitcoin, no? At lalo na ito magpapalaki ng sentimiento de asukal na ang Bitcoin ay magiging dependent na lalo on TradFi sentiment. What does that mean? O di ba gumagalaw ang Bitcoin before kapag may sinasabi si Trump? Mas lalo magiging interlock na yan, Kamiranda. Ang take note lang natin that crypto is still open 24/7. Nasdaq is only 24/5. What does that mean? Close pa rin sila ng Linggo at Sabado, no? So meron pa ring edge ang crypto, so to speak, no? Ang like what I've said, huwag nating kalimutan, ang negative dito is yung cross-market trading and arbitrage. Some capital will really rotate from crypto, aalis ng crypto to stocks. So the more makakita tayo ng mga altcoins sa negative 98% from the top, lalo nang mamamatayan mga Kamiranda, so to speak. All right, another thing pag-usapan natin ito na nga, no, yung tokenized stocks, no. Mas maganda ngayon na crypto exchanges can now bridge traders to trade TradFi and crypto. Pwedeng makita ng mga TradFi na, uy, merong crypto to, matry ko nga to. May ganung mentality na. No? So, being it on the same platform that you can trade tokenized stocks inside a crypto exchange. So kung para mo nang madalit sabi, ginagawa mo ng parang legitimate ang crypto, especially for those who don't believe. No? Ang